Hello and welcome, candidates, to the lesson. Today we are going to answer question 4, April 2022, Boardroom Dynamics. I hope you've attempted the question as it has been the custom. If you have not, please try and answer question number 4 on your own. Then you can come back and compare your solutions with the solutions I'll provide here on the board. Question 4A reads, summarize 5 attributes of a non-executive director. I repeat, summarize 5 attributes of a non-executive director, 5 marks. Who is a non-executive director? A non-executive director is a director who is independent from the company's management and is not involved in the day-to-day operations. The question required candidates to outline or summarize the attributes of a non-executive director. We are going to summarize 5 attributes. 1 is that of independence. A non-executive director must be independent. Independence is the first characteristic or attitude or attribute. The second one is objectivity. Number 3, expertise. Number 4, governance oversight. And number 5, shareholder representation. These are 5 attributes of a non-executive director. 1, independence. 2, objectivity. 3, expertise. 4, governance oversight. Then 5, shareholder representation. 5 characteristics. Question 4A. Non-executive director. Attributes of a non-executive director. Number 1, independence. 2, objectivity. 3, expertise. 4, governance oversight. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, shareholder representation. Independence, objectivity, expertise, governance oversight, shareholder representation. These are 5 attributes of a non-executive director. What's the meaning of independence? Independence. Non-executive directors are independent from the company's management and are not involved in the day-to-day operations. They offer an impartial perspective and can act as a check and balance on executive decisions. Independent. Number 2, objectivity. Non-executive directors bring what we call objectivity to the boardroom by providing unbiased assessment of strategic proposals, unbiased assessment of financial performance, unbiased assessment of risk management, and so on. And that is so because of their detachment from organizations' daily operations, which allows them to make decisions in the best interest of the shareholders and the company. Due to their independence, they can be objective. because of their independence, they can offer objective view. They can have what we call impartial judgment on matters. So, non-executive directors are independent. They bring objectivity to the company. Another attribute is that of expertise. These are individuals who possess specialized skills. They have specialized knowledge and experience that is relevant to the industry or specific areas of the company's operations. They contribute valuable insights and guidance based on their expertise. And candidates and executive directors are deliberately hired because of their expertise. The board hires them, all right? They are hired based on their expertise, and the purpose is so that they can guide the company in certain areas that needs guidance based on their expertise. Governance oversight. Non-executive directors play a crucial role in ensuring good governance within the organization, good governance practices within the organization. They oversee the conduct of the executive team. They oversee the monitoring of compliance with laws and regulations, and they also assess the effectiveness of the internal control system. Then lastly, shareholder representation. Non-executive directors represent the interests of shareholders and act as their voice in the boardroom, all right, because of their independence. They strive to align the company's strategy and actions with the long-term interests of the shareholders. These non-executive directors are the voice of the shareholder. And remember, candidates, a board comprises of executive directors and non-executive directors. It is the non-executive directors that bring balance to the company in the boardroom. They bring checks and balances against the decisions by the executive. So these are 5 attributes. Number 1, independence. Number 2, objectivity. Number 3, expertise. Number 4, governance oversight. Number 5, shareholder representation. These are 5 attributes. How many marks? 5 marks.